The power steering system is under a lot of pressure to perform. Motorists don't realize how much power steering provides until it stops working right in the middle of a parallel park. Then it's easy to understand how some power steering systems use up to 2,000 pounds of pressure to apply tremendous torque at just the touch of a finger. This high-performance hydraulic system requires a high-performance power steering fluid. Power steering fluid not only puts power in the power steering system, it also carries away high heat generated by the pump, while also lubricating and providing crucial hydraulic function to the entire system. Over time, with high heat and tremendous fluid pressure, conditioners and additives in the fluid that protect the system may break down, friction increases, oxidation occurs, and wear metals result. In addition, the seals that regulate fluid movement may become brittle, which causes them to shrink and leak pressure. The power steering system does not contain a filter to capture these contaminants. So before damage occurs, these harmful deposits must be removed and the fluid must be replaced. To do this, we perform a BG power steering service. First, we add BG Quick Clean for Power Steering, part number 108, to the power steering pump reservoir, so it can be worked through the system. This product is designed specifically to remove residues from pumps, lines, racks, and valves. The wheels are turned from one direction to the other and back multiple times to allow the cleaner to agitate and loosen deposits. Once deposits are suspended in the fluid, the old contaminated fluid is pumped out using the BG Power Steering Service Center, part number 937. At the same time, BG Power Clean, a specially formulated heat-resistant power steering fluid, part number 332, is installed. BG Power Steering Conditioner, part number 330, is added at the next 15,000-mile service interval to continue protecting the spool valve housing, keep seals pliable so they won't leak, and reduce gear noise and squealing. The BG Power Steering Service is recommended every 30,000 miles and comes from the leader in automotive fluid maintenance, BG Products Incorporated.